Hi, hello. I am Nandakishore. In this video, we will discuss about exploratory data analysis techniques. What are the topics in this video we will discuss briefly. I will say now. First one is what is exploratory data analysis. Next, second one we will discuss about what is the main objective of exploratory data analysis. Next, what is the role of exploratory data analysis to perform. Next, what are the steps involved to perform exploratory data analysis. Next, what are the types of exploratory data analysis is there. And next one is what is the tools that we use to perform exploratory data analysis, and what are the advantages of using exploratory data analysis. And not least but not the least, we'll discuss about what main points regarding all these points. Now let us dive into our first one. What is exploratory data analysis? Exploratory data analysis, it is a technique used for extracting vital features and trends in machine learning and deep learning models. It is essential for any working of a data science. It covers concepts, meaningful insights, tools and techniques. It enlists fields that efficiently apply EDA in promoting business activities. This is the brief about what is exploratory data analysis. Next, we'll see what is the objective of exploratory data analysis. The overall objective of exploratory data analysis is to obtain vital insights, and hence usually includes some of the sub-objectives. The first sub-objective is it identifying and removing data outliers. It also identifies trends in time and space, and it uncovers the pattern related to the target, and it is creating hypotheses and testing them through experiments, and it identifying new sources of data. These are some main objectives, sub-objectives and objectives of exploratory data analysis. Next, we'll see what is the role of exploratory data analysis to perform in data science. First one, it utilizes objectives and to identify patterns and trends in data. Second one, it helps in taking necessary actions to meet business goals. Next, it provides answers to the queries related to specific business decisions. It assists in building models for prediction requiring optimal data features. Next, it helps to achieve expected goals by carrying out right EDA with correct tool based on suitable data. These are the role of EDA. Next, we'll see what are the steps involved to perform exploratory data analysis. There are several steps to perform exploratory data analysis. Here I will discuss what are the main steps to perform exploratory data analysis. First one, we have to collect the data. First step is data collection. Next, second one, finding all the variables and understanding the data set. Next one, we have to clean the data set. Next, fourth step is identifying correlated variables. What it means that in dataset we have some features, right? Among that features we have to do correlation, and we have to identify what are the correlated variables in dataset. Next one is choosing right statistical method. In this step we have to choose right statistical method or to perform this exploratory data analysis on a data set. There are some more statistical methods. In that we have to choose right statistical method. What it means that we have to check all the parameters, and we have to think twice and thrice or more, and we have to choose right statistical method. Last but not the least, we have to visualize the data results and analyze the results. What is meant by visualizing? Visualizing means we have to perform this on like a bar chart, pie chart, graph, etc. This is meant by visualization, and we have to analyze the results. These are the steps involved in exploratory data analysis. Next, we will see what are the types of exploratory data analysis. There are three types. First one is univariate exploratory data analysis. Second one, bivariate data analysis. Next, multivariate exploratory data analysis. These are the main three types of exploratory data analysis. Now we'll see one by one in brief. First one is univariate non-graphical exploratory data analysis. We'll see about this in a brief. What is meant by univariate non-graphical data analysis? It is a simple type of data analysis focusing on variable and population of data. Next, the main aim of this non-graphical analysis is understand the distribution of population data and specific statistical parameters. In this, we have three. First one is central tendency, range, variance, and standard deviation. Central tendency, it refers to the values at data central position and middle zone. Range, it defines the difference between maximum and minimum value in the data. Variance and standard deviation. Variance is a mean squared difference between each data point and the mean, while standard deviation is the square root of it. These are some non-graphical techniques in univariate. Next, we'll see univariate graphical analysis. Univariate graphical analysis means in the name only itself, we have to use graphical analysis. We have two types. It is stem and leaf plots. What is meant by stem and leaf plots? It displays quantitative data in shortened format, separating each observation as stem and remaining digits as leaves. Next type is histogram. Histogram basically represents a bar chart. It displays both grouped and ungrouped data, indicating central tendency, dispersion, and outliers. In histogram also there are several types: simple bar chart, multiple or grouped charts, percentage bar chart, box plot chart. What is simple bar chart? It represents the category value with rectangular bars. Next, multiple or grouped charts. It represents multiple sets of data items for comparison with single color denoting one specific series. Next, percentage bar chart. It is simple as simple bar chart but will represent each observation in percentage. Next, box plot chart. It displays the distribution of quantitative value in data, allowing comparison between category values and identifying outliers. This is the basic overview of univariate graphical analysis overview. Next, we'll dive into another type, that is multivariate non-graphical data analysis. What is meant by multivariate data analysis? It means that it utilizes cross-tabulation statistics to show connection between the variables. It creates two-way table with column headings matching one variable and row heading matching the other. Cross-tabulation is particularly useful for categorical data. It compares statistics across number of categorical variables. This is the brief about multivariate non-graphical data analysis. Next, we'll see what is multivariate graphical analysis. Here we have some different types. Here are some more: scatter plot, multivariate chart, run chart, bubble chart, heat map. First one, we'll discuss what is scatter plot. It is essential for two quantitative variables displaying one variable on x-axis and one variable on y-axis. This is about the scatter plot. Next one, multivariate chart. It is a control chart used to monitor two or more interrelated process variables. It helps to minimize the total number of control charts for organizational processes. Next, what is meant by run chart? It is a data line chart drawn over the time, visually illustrating process performance or data values in a time sequence. Next, we'll see what is meant by bubble chart. Bubble chart, it is same as scatter plot. Scatter plot displays only single variable. In bubble chart, will display multiple circles in a two-dimensional plot to access relationship between three or more numerical variables. Next, we'll see heat map. It is a colored graphical representation of multivariate data structure as a matrix of columns and rows, and it transforms a correlation matrix into color and visualize the strength of correlation among the variables. These are the some statistical methods in multivariate graphical techniques in EDA. Next, we'll see what are the tools used in exploratory data analysis to perform. First one is Python. Python, it is used for tasks like missing values, data description, handling outliers, and chart insights. In Python also we have open source packages like Detail, AutoVis, Pandas to automate the process. Next, second tool is R. R is regularly used for statistical observations and data analysis. In R also we have open source packages is there. It includes like ggplot, leaflet, lattice, data explorer, ggalley, etc. Next, third one is MATLAB. MATLAB, it is a commercial mathematical programming language. It is a mathematical tool which will be used for calculation. And in data analysis, it is the important tool for calculating variables or anything. These are the tools for used in exploratory data analysis. Next, we'll see some advantages of exploratory data analysis. First advantage is it provides insights into underlying trends and patterns through data visualization. Second one, it enhances understanding variables of values. It understands the understanding of variables by extracting information like averages, mean, maximum, and minimum. Next one is it assists in better pre-processing data to save time by identifying significant mistakes, abnormalities, or missing values. Next, it helps business makes data-driven decisions by extracting critical insights and making conclusions. These are some advantages of exploratory data analysis. Next, we'll see by conclusion. By all we are doing this, we will conclude some points. First point, EDA summarizes features and characteristics from a dataset. EDA is an approach but not a defined process. Next, EDA can be performed using both graphical and non-graphical statistical methods. Success of EDA depends on data quality, tools, visualization, and interpretation by data scientists. Next, data scientists can choose from various plots to explore data before applying machine learning algorithms. These are some important points which I have done from exploring the exploratory data analysis techniques. Thank you.